Here's a quick demo of the mock interview functionality of Aceunloc. So you come here and put the basic information like the job title. In this case, Senior Technical Architect, interview for 5 minutes, go next. Put the name of the company if you have, and then a job description, go next. And finally, give permission to use camera and microphone. So I'll hit submit. And I should see myself, so I'll just join the interview.
Hi, Sam Sircon. Welcome to the Senior Technical Architect interview. My name is Chris, and I will be conducting your interview. So, are you ready to start this interview?
Hey, Chris, I'm ready for the interview.
Excellent. Let's begin. First, could you tell me about a complex digital transformation project you've led, specifically focusing on the architectural decisions you made and how they aligned with the business objectives?
Yes, I can talk about a digital transformation project that I did for a major airlines in North America. Basically, they had a flight booking system and they wanted to revamp it because this was like an old system. So it was built in an old-fashioned monolithic way and they were having a lot of challenges. So I had to basically come in, look at their current state architecture, interview their stakeholders, and then come up with the target architecture.
That sounds like an interesting project. Could you elaborate on the specific architectural patterns you implemented to move from the monolithic system to the new architecture? Also, what were the main challenges you encountered during this transformation and how did you address them?
Yes, so the company actually was already moving into AWS. So they didn't have a DevOps practice which was strong in the company. So basically for microservices, they wanted to go into fully serverless architecture. So I proposed a serverless architecture, basically using API gateways and then microservices in Lambda functions, and then basically communicate through SQS. And that's how I structured their different application into separate services, like a flight booking system, entertainment system. They had the also they had the promotion management system.
Thank you for that explanation. I'd like to dive a bit deeper into your technical decision-making process. What were your primary considerations when choosing Lambda functions over container-based solutions like ECS or EKS? Also, how did you handle data consistency and transaction management across?
Okay, so I'm going to end the interview here because as you can see, it's back and forth, and then I will just say, get me the feedback, and you should actually look at my responses and give me a feedback. And then, so in the strength, you demonstrate confidence in your response. You gave some examples with experience. You were clear. So weakness, it says some of the responses lack depth, and also areas for improvement, practice elaborating on technical complexity. So I didn't go too deep. And then also talks about a follow-up. So can you elaborate on the DevOps practices, how you were submitting them? Okay, so thank you for watching the demo, and I'll see you in the next demo.